And now, with Northeast Wisconsin's most accurate forecast, Chief Meteorologist Luke Zanfi.
Watch out, you could get caught underneath a briefly heavy downpour here for this evening up until about sunset. The reason why, we've got plenty of heat and humidity in the air, and all we need is a little bit of lift in the atmosphere, and we will get one of those downpours to form. Right now, we're drying back out. We had one of those move through in the past 30 minutes here in Green Bay, or at least on the east side. That's Walnut and Monroe. The street's looking fairly dry there, so I don't think they directly caught it. And with the High Five Skycam network, we take you down into Appleton. That's College Avenue, and they too are remaining dry. I think most will remain dry here for this evening. You just got to watch out. It could come up quickly and then be gone as fast as it gets there. That is in terms of any rainfall for this evening. Low 80s for most locations away from the lake and bay. You got 70s near the water. The south to southeast wind between 10 and 20 miles per hour. Here's why we're getting these pop-up showers and thunder showers. You got the heat, so that's the energy. And now you got the moisture. Dew points around 64 degrees here in Green Bay. Anytime that dew point climbs to 60 or above, you actually can feel the humidity in the air. So we're just getting these pop-up showers and thunder showers right up until about sunset. Rain chances, I say, will be in the low category. Coverage not all that great, but just be mindful of that. Here's Storm Team 5 Live radar presented by Mills Fleet Farm. Not a whole lot on the radar. We do have the lake breeze, which is actually the reason why we are getting some of these showers to pop up here locally around the Green Bay Metro, because it's a source of lift. It's that difference between the cool and dense lake air lifting up the relatively warmer and humid air that's been residing over the area. And we've got one of those showers right here. Ledgeview right there, Bellevue right there, heads up to you. Pretty good little quick shot of rain will move up to the north, probably clip the east side of Green Bay as well within the next 15 minutes. And then we've got another one of these. This is a thunderstorm bringing some heavy rain just west of Silver Cliff. So that's the far northwestern section of Marinette County and then into Forest County there. So right on that border. Heads up to you in Dunbar, heads up to you over toward the Goodman area as well. You'll probably see some of that. We have a river flood warning I got to tell you about along the Menominee River from about Mellon, Michigan, right down into Marinette, Menominee. With all the rain as of late, that river is running a little high. We're expecting it to crest tomorrow afternoon or evening around 15.5 feet. That means we could have some minor flooding, so heads up. And plus, we're going to be actually adding some more rain and thunderstorms to this as we go through not only this evening perhaps, but also for tomorrow. So those bubble up showers and thunder showers, very isolated. Here's a batch of energy that's going to work in here by tomorrow morning, so that's why we're going to have a chance for a shower or an isolated thunderstorm in the morning hours on Friday. And then another way we're going to be able to form some storms along this cold front, that gets in here for Friday evening. So two ways to get rain or storms. Here's how we're going to break this down. Spotty coverage in the morning for your Friday. There's going to be a few stronger storms in the afternoon and evening. And gusty winds and hail will be the primary threats that we'll be watching, especially in the late afternoon and into the evening hours along that cold front. The chance for an isolated downpour will end after sunset this evening. Futurecast takes us to 9 p.m. and we are dry, mostly clear skies. Clouds then increase overnight tonight, and watch what happens by 7 o'clock tomorrow morning. An isolated shower or thunderstorm will be possible. That's with that initial surge of energy over Missouri right now. And then not much happening there for midday and into the afternoon, but then late afternoon and into the evening hours, that's the front right there. That's 11 p.m. So sometime after 3, 4 o'clock and then into the evening hours is when we could have some stronger storms. Highs tomorrow, another very warm day, upper 70s to around 80. But again, with a south wind turning southwest, you'll be just a touch cooler lakeside once again. So for tonight, a few evening pop-up thunderstorms or downpours down to 60. And then for tomorrow on Friday, more scattered showers and storms with a high near 80. A south to southwest wind fairly strong at 10 to 25 miles per hour. Look at the big change as we go into the weekend. You need the light jacket again. Temperatures in the upper 30s Saturday night. Dry though through the weekend into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, climbing back up to 80. Another storm chance on Thursday with temperatures again right around 80. Here's the Kagan Allergy Report. The pollen is high and the mold is high. Track the very latest with Storm Team 5 on our Facebook page. Like it. WFRD TV, Channel 5.
Can't complain about the sunshine today.
Well, that was nice.
Felt like summer.
Yeah.
All right,
All right.
Luke.
Well, thank you, Luke.
All right.
Speaking of which,